What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to be talking about 49 Mercuries with Jason over at Blue Ox Models. So stick around and see what we have to say about these models, and I gotta say it's a very cool video, so check it out.
Alright, we are here at the NNL EAST in New Jersey, and I'm here with Jason from Blue Ox Models, and we're going to talk about Mercuries. So Jason, tell me about your Mercury. What'd you do to it?
Alright, so mine is the Revell version of the Chop Top kit, and it's basically box stock. I added a little bit of 3D kind of goodies to it. The wheels and tires are 3D. Those are from Jay's resin wheels, and I put it's hard to see inside, but there's a VCG resin shifter and shift knob inside there. Otherwise, it's box stock. I just added fuel lines, plug wires, battery cables, that kind of stuff.
Amazing.
It's this is, a lot of people don't believe it when I say it, but this is painted with, to me, a rattle can. So that's, to me, a light blue pearl.
What clear coat did you use?
That's the TS13 clear coat over it.
Clear coat, okay.
Yep. Oh yeah, and then I added some photo etch speaker grills in the back just to kind of give you something to look at through the back window.
Touch a little bit. Yeah,
that's it. And then we got my New Hampshire plates. I always got to put a New Hampshire plate on everything I build, so.
No kidding.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
And that is it. I really like this kit. It goes together like a dream.
Absolutely. I heard it goes together.
It does. It's
perfect.
A really
even
nice
though it's super hard to find now because Revell stopped making it, right?
They did. Well, they did, yeah.
That kind of sucks.
And it's kind of funny. You say it's super hard to find, but there's like 3 of them here today in the vendor area, believe it or not.
I should have picked one up.
Yeah, exactly.
Jesus. So mine is the Revell one, or the Revell one, AMT one, and I tried to make it look kind of like the Revell one, but only difference is basically is the body. That is a Jimmy Flintstone chop body, and really notice different is the height. The Revell one is a little bit smaller, and the AMT one, you know, well, the Jimmy Flintstone one is a little bit taller, but it's still chopped. Mine is just custom, has a 3D printed Cobra engine, wheels, interior's pretty much box stock. Then I didn't do any bare metal foil because I didn't want much flashy chrome on this.
Exactly. Yeah.
And also it's custom 3D printed grill because the AMT one, I keep calling it Revell one. The AMT one has the normal grill, you want to call it. So kind of want more with custom, and also custom side pipe exhaust. The Revell one comes with side pipe exhaust.
It does, and I put the lake pipes on mine.
Okay.
But I just didn't like the way it looked, so I took them off. I think it looks better with. I think it looks a little bit better without them.
Yeah.
Now, if I had done the skirts in the back, I definitely would have done the lake pipes. But
I didn't do that either.
Yeah.
I was like, I kind of want to show those Mercury wheels.
Exactly.
It's like those white walls.
Well, what's the sense of having fancy 3D printed wheels if you're going to cover them with skirts, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, but awesome, James. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
And this is an awesome pleasure.
All right.